Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications which are associated with the website Aspectsofc.hair. Aspectsofc.hair is a malicious website that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this Allow button. The website indicates that people need to click on Allow to help them continue their browsing. The reality is that it's a mistake to click on that Allow button, and this would immediately hijack the browser with numerous advertisements that will keep popping up in the right part of the computer screen. So, if the Allow button was clicked, of course you should urgently fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings. You need to now select Privacy and Security in the left part of the window. So wait until this gets loaded, choose Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this Aspectsofc.hair, you should remove this junk site from the list. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Using this green Download Combo Cleaner button, download the installer, run the installer, and then begin researching and investigating your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.